Good. Give it to her. Peanut butter bread. Oh, is it caught? Is it caught, baby? Give it to her.
She won't take it.
She won't take it. She's got a piece in her mouth and call it.
Daisy. Daisy, who likes the peanut butter bread? Who likes it? Who likes that peanut butter bread? We just gave her Benadryl because she's itching. Oh, look at that piece. Oh. Oh, yeah. Eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it up, yeah. This is her fake cough. She doesn't like Benadryl given to her. We give her child's Benadryl, and she don't like it.
Quit throwing it up. Let it go down.
Because she itches and itches. And she ain't got fleas, and she ain't got ticks, and she ain't got nothing other than dry skin. So we give her Benadryl. The doctor said to give her, the vet said to give her child's Benadryl. But she don't like it.
Let it go down. Quit coughing it up. Let it go down. It'll help you and you'll stop coughing. Now let it go down.
And that's her getting fed peanut butter bread as a treat. And a caramel.
Here, finish the bread.
Caramel? Greenie? Caramel?
That's how come you know she's not sick, because her ears are over here. Finish your bread.
Ain't got enough peanut butter, Mom.
And she won't sit down and coughs at the same time.
Worse than a child.
Caramel? Caramel? Greenies? Who wants a greenie?